In this video we will show a repair. This weld that connects the arm pipe to the camering mechanism. So this is a pipe and this is a solid piece. They are welding together in this line. We noticed that it can develop like a crack in the middle of this, and we'll separate these two parts in the middle of this weld. So what we're gonna do is a simple fix. So we'll reinforce it by adding a bolt or a pin to lock, internally lock the two parts together. So we'll have to drill and tap and add a bolt to this area, and let's do the job. Okay, we'll need of course two M6 bolts, metric 6mm bolts. We'll need a 5mm Allen wrench. To make the thread, we'll need a 5mm drill bit and a metric 6mm M6 tap. And also we'll need a drill, power drill. And it will be good if we have some tap fluid. If not, it's possible to do without it. And we'll use a marker pen. So we'll set the trike upside down on the floor, and if you can use put like a paper or a cardboard, it will collect the shavings, help it collect the shavings of when you drill. So also we are supplying two little blocks, and we'll show you why. So you will place the trike over the cardboard area, put the handlebar on the floor. But remember, when you put the handlebar on the floor, the display will be the thing touching the floor. So the blocks, we'll use these blocks to support the handlebar, so the display doesn't get damaged. Okay. Now we'll work in this area. We'll make one hole in each part. So we'll start by marking the hole, and we'll need a pen. Use the pen to make like a line in the center of the weld, and then make a dot 1/4 of an inch, like this, 1/4 of an inch from the line. The same thing here. This is the center of the weld, and this is 1/4 of an inch. So this is where we're gonna make our hole. Okay, to start the hole, you can use a punch and make a mark here, punch mark, but I will do without. So if you don't have the punch, so you will place the drill bit on the area. We'll start running really slow until it gets a center. So this is a 5mm hole. It will drill. So now I'll put it on high speed here. Tight. So it went through, right? So now I will replace the 5mm bit with the tap. If you're not used to use tap, you have to go on low speed. You have to center it, put it straight. So we'll add a little bit of tap fluid now. Okay, so the way we add is just a little bit of dab of Okay, and we'll run clockwise again. So you want a reversible drill because we have to, yeah, I didn't torque it well here. You can go back, we'll remove it here, give more torque to this. It should work now. More torque here. You can go back and forth until, okay, finally. So this is one of them. I will do just one and you get there. So now is the easy part, is you just install this bolt, 6mm metric. You will install and tight well, and it's done. So this will prevent a crack from even starting in this area. Okay.